Five teenage girls have gone missing for 5 days in Juba Gaida residential area, prompting a fruitless search by their families and relatives. Santino Dudakin, a cousin to the missing girls, said the adolescents were last seen on November 10 when they went to Jebel Market, but since then they did not return home. The missing girls have been identified as Awud Ring Ajo, Awer Ring Ajo, Ayuen Ring Ajo, Nyang Mabir Ater, and Rai Lem. They are aged between 16 and 19. The girl went out to the market at 3 p.m. on that day. We were out together with our mother. She was in Godele, and I was at work. Do narrated. When they delayed, people in the house called it us that those girls still did not return to the house from 3 p.m. till 7 p.m. We returned thinking that they went to their friends and they will return back until midnight. They did not come back and we slept the second day. The same thing, and there was no good news, he said. Dudu is also the guardian, said the girl father is in Abyei. The horrified relative said he has come police station and waited to hear news of the girl's whereabouts in vain. He said the family decided to file several cases at Makalia, Gumbo, Gudele, and Northern Division Police Station over the incident. Dude is appealing to whoever finds the girl to call the families on the telephone number 0922 88 6361. When contacted for comment, the police spokesperson Major General Daniel Justin said he was not aware of the incident, adding that he will get back at a later time.